Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure Val and welcome to the update on Filecoin. The price line of Filecoin is still getting accumulated inside this very high demand zone. That starts from $3.20 and goes to $2.68. If you take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that whenever the price line is dropping down and moving down inside this high demand zone, we are watching very, very powerful rallies. It was happening here. It was happened here, but this time the price line was rejected by this downtrend and resistance of a big falling wedge pattern. And it was again happened here, and now we are again drop down inside this support zone or very, very high demand zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Golem, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on the 18th of Feb 2025. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this descending triangle. And after the breakdown, we had a big drop. And now the pricing is dropped down inside this very, very high demand zone. That starts from $3.20 and goes to $2.68. And now we're watching a very nice price accumulation since after 3rd of Feb, 2nd of Feb 2025. It is still getting accumulated inside this demand zone. It will be really very difficult for the price line to break down this level. And by the way, if the price starts another reversal from here, then still we will first need to break out this very, very strong resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. That was previously working as a support zone here, resistance on here for several weeks or months. And before that, it was working as support here, resistance here. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here as well. And we will also need to break out this previous resistance of the triangle that can still work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Filecoin. And by the way, here you can see that we have already broken out this down channel as well. And after that, we had a nice pump, but so far the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target is here at top of the channel at $11.40. And that is already working as a very strong resistance, this $11.40 level that has been recently working as a resistance here. Before that, here in the month of August 2023, it was working as a very strong resistance. Now, here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have also broken out this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.